Observing and reporting is probably one of the most important things that you will do and learn as a nurse's aide. So this is also a very large chapter or lesson plan. It's lesson plan 6, if I forgot to say that. And it's got a lot of terms in it. Again, I don't expect you to memorize every one of these terms immediately, but I expect by the time we get to the end of the book, something in your mind will trigger and say, ah, yeah, I heard that somewhere, and you remember it at some point. So what we're going to talk about with observing and reporting is how you use your 5 senses to observe what you see, what you smell, what you feel, what you listen to, what you hear. And there is a difference between hearing and listening. You can hear a resident, but did you listen? Did you get the message? So we'll talk about those methods of observation and how you can best use them to be the very best CNA you can be. Also, we'll look at what parts of the body, as we looked at those body systems in the last lesson plan, what parts of the body tell us certain things about a resident. When we're observing, if we see that a resident is limping, then that might prompt us to think, wow, they've had some kind of an accident or an incident, or something is causing them pain, and it causes us to look at what? Well, in this case, it would be the musculoskeletal system. What's going on that's changed? And then we'll talk about how you report to the charge nurse what you observe. And we're even going to talk about that assertive behavior again when the charge nurse does not respond to you as you feel like she should, and how you handle that situation. Because as sad as it is, you will experience a charge nurse that you do not feel responds to the residents when you report to her the way you feel she should. And so I want you to know how to deal with that. Okay, having said that, let's get started.